hello. Thanks for watching this video. This channel is not only about health and beauty, but about genetic and cellular health, about telomeres and telomerase and longevity tricks, since for me, health and beauty come from within. Science has been promising us for decades advances that supposedly will come out in a year or two, but that have never arrived or come to us. And so we spend our lives seeing that there are methods to improve our quality of life but that never come, and what that comes to us is practically too much, little and expensive or too complicated. If we wait for science to one day take out one of its alleged miracles, we can die of old age waiting. But there are many things we can do today, to deal with aging and the things that cause it. For this, many natural, homemade and very modern and avant-garde methods can be used, without having to resort to the CRISPR method or other expensive and risky methods. In this channel I will gradually publish tricks to integrate into your daily life to significantly slow down aging and the factors that do not cause, including diseases. As this channel grows, I will improve the quality and value of the content of my videos. This channel will be very different from the other channels on this topic. So, if this topic interests you, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Today I will talk about how to maintain the quality of the liquid in which all our body cells float and another trick that I also use to take care of my cellular and therefore genetic health including telomeres as well. Since in our body everything is one, and if there are factors in our day-to-day that harm us at the health and cellular level, there are also factors to achieve just the opposite. The liquids and foods that we ingest daily are those that are going to compose our body, according to the saying, one is what it eats and drinks. In my other video on how to lengthen telomerase, I have already explained the harmful factors for our cellular and genetic health, so today I save you this talk and give you another tip to introduce in your healthy habits. Most of the waters we consume are, or dead waters, by their industrial treatment, or are contaminated by the plastic that surrounds them, or lack or have calcium or mineral excesses, chlorine, or sulfates among others. The list of hidden hazards in the water is very long. Therefore, it is vitally important to filter the water we drink regularly and revitalize or remineralize it. One of the things that works for me is simply to refilter the water I buy in the supermarket and revive it with minerals, also known as water stones, since these stones not only help filter but also provide nutrients to the water and revive it. Doing this may seem solemn nonsense, it seems almost esoteric, but it is not. Analyses of different supermarket waters and even tap water speak for themselves. Water quality is really deplorable. I also tested the water in my water jug, and the winner comes and goes. The purest, alkaline and well mineralized water was the water in the jug. The taste of a living water is also much better than normal water, and whoever tried it once, no longer wants to drink from another water. I even have friends who carry their own water in glass bottles for the whole day. Since plastic bottles must be avoided at all costs because they contaminate water with benzene very quickly among other toxic substances, especially when the plastic receives heat or cold. To check it, leave a half-filled plastic bottle on a sunny day in the car, it smells and drink it the next day. You will see that this water no longer tastes like the day before, and after 2 or 3 days it is practically undrinkable. So the quality of the primary liquid that we ingest daily is important since it will compose the liquid in which our cells float. About this I would have much more to talk about, but I try to make videos as short as possible so as not to overwhelm you with details that you probably already know. If you liked this video and you are interested in the topic of cellular and genetic health and beauty, then do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Goodbye, and until the next video.